Hey, I've been at this for a while and finally came up with a solution for a stuck faceplate on the Rockler Excelsior mini lathe, or the Excelsior mini lathe sold at Rockler. Either way, faceplate stuck. I've tried brute force. I've tried everything I can think of to get this thing off. The biggest problem is there is no spindle lock. So trying to find a way to keep the spindle from moving while you apply said brute force to this has been a challenge. What I did is I just put I think it's like a 1/4 inch bolt in the little, I guess it's called a Tommy hole right there. Put it in there, and I just put the bolt there just to give some extra stability. And I got a pair of vice grips. They're curved. The jaw on them is curved. They're more for holding pipe. And clamp those on there, and then just the rest just goes against the bench. And then I took what did I do with it here? I just took a screwdriver, put it right there, and then just whacked it with a mallet really hard, and it broke free in like 2 taps. Everything else I tried putting clamps, wrenches, everything on the flat part to spin it off. It just wasn't coming. But the just threading a bolt through there, putting it on so it stayed in place, and then just whacking it a couple times with a mallet broke it free. So that's how you do that. And I think the trick in the future is, one, make sure it's on securely before you start up, so it doesn't just machine crank on there a little harder. And I've heard some other people put just like a little paper washer in there to help with that. So I may give that a try. But anyway, a simple, quick fix for that. If anybody is stuck trying to figure out how to come up with a spindle lock, actually I can take this off of here, and you can kind of see how the pliers go on there. And I just use this part up here, this part here, just to keep the whole thing from spinning and chewing up the top of the bushing there. But anyway, that's it, and hopefully this does not happen to you, but if it does, here's a fix. Thanks.